Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your AirPods to your laptop or your computer. So the first thing we'll need to do is just make sure your AirPods are fully charged. And to identify whether your AirPods are charged, then we just need to open the lid, and if you see a green light in the middle here, then that identifies the AirPods are charged and ready to use. So once your AirPods are charged and ready to go, we're going to head over to our computer, and we're just going to come over to the Start menu and search for Settings, and then tap on the Settings window. From the left hand side, we need to come over to Bluetooth and Devices, and at the top here, just make sure you have Bluetooth turned on like so. Then we're going to come back over to our AirPods and just remove the lid once more. And then we're going to turn the AirPods around to their back, and you'll notice this small button down the bottom here. Now what you need to do is you just need to hold down this button for approximately 15 seconds. And what's going to happen is at the moment you can see this white light flashing. When this is ready to connect, you'll see a amber light. So we're just waiting for this amber light to turn on, and like so, as soon as you see that amber light, that's ready to go. So we can now release the power button at the back here, and then we're going to close the lid of your AirPods. You can then reopen the lid of your AirPod, and on your computer you need to come over to Add Device. Select Bluetooth from this list of options, and this is going to go ahead and just scan your computer for any devices. And as you can see down here, I have these AirPods pop up, so I'm just going to go ahead and select that. And as you can see, these are now connected. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you connect your AirPods to your laptop or computer. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.